boys and girls. Welcome back to 1, 2, 2 to me, where we can learn and grow together.
Today we're learning the sound of OU and OW, and they both make the ow sound. OU says
Ow!
to have the OU in the middle and in position that have the
Ow!
sound.
Bounce!
I like to bounce the ball.
Cloud!
The cloud is dancing in the sky.
Couch!
The kids are sitting on the couch reading a book. Reading is a very important thing. You should do it every day.
Ground!
The men were working on the ground to repair it. Can you hear the ow sound in ground?
Yes! House!
Put the shapes in the house.
Mouse!
The mouse wants some cheese. It smells really nice.
Mountain!
It's hard to climb up a mountain. Can you hear the ow sound in mountain?
Yes! Mouth!
The teacher said, zip your mouth.
Ouch!
Oh, he's ready to rip his Band-Aid off. That's going to hurt.
Out!
Time to take the trash out. Make sure you wash your hands when you're done.
Sound!
He loves listening to his brother play his guitar because the sound is so nice. It's music to his ears.
Trout!
Trout is a type of fish. Now we're going to read some words with OW. OW makes the
Ow sound.
Let's read some words with OW in the middle and in position.
Brown.
My favorite color is brown. Brown is beautiful. Can you hear the ow sound in the middle position of the word brown?
Yes. Cow.
This cow is looking for food. What does a cow say?
Moo. Clown.
The clown is waving hello to his audience. He's a cute clown. Can you hear the ow sound in the middle of clown?
Yes. Down.
The eensy weensy spider went down a water spout. He's thirsty.
Frown.
Oh, she has a frown on her face. Maybe she wants someone to play with her. It's good to cheer your friends up if you ever see them frowning.
Flower.
Can you hear the OW sound in flower?
Yes.
OW makes the
Ow sound.
Good job. Cinderella wore a beautiful gown just like this one to the ball. And look at it sparkle.
Growl.
Oh, he's tired and sleepy that he can't even growl. Can you hear the owl sound in growl?
Yes.
It's in the middle position.
Meow.
Now here you can hear the owl sound at the
End.
Good job. Cute little cat.
Power.
I wonder what's his superpower.
Shower.
The shower is nice and warm. Can you hear the OW sound in the middle of shower?
Yes.
OW says,
Ow. Cow.
I read a great book about a nice, cozy town. And I can hear the ow sound in the middle of the word town. Now you know the sound O-U and O-W can make. Ow, ow.
Ow. Like, share, follow. Bye.